So we were just gifted this RV Macerator pump, and this thing is perfect here at the house because we don't have a sewer access where we can drain to close to the RV. And this unit is going to allow us to pump waste if we want to dump our tanks uphill. It could go either into the house, into a toilet, or into our sewer inlet on the side of the house via just a garden hose. So the way this works is you take a freshwater input on this side, and you take an old garden hose, preferably one you're not going to use for anything else, and you put it on the discharge port right here. And this whole unit is going to hook right onto your RV dump port. So this got a nice little on-off feature here, so you can flush as needed. Locks right on. Got my exit port. And they give you two options to power this unit up. One would be into a cigarette port, and the second would be into alligator clips here right onto a battery. So we have a power supply that we're going to use this on. Just hooks right up. All right, so you just turn water onto the pump, turn on the macerator, and you can open your valves and all the discharge comes out. All right, so this is a perfect setup again if you don't have a traditional gravity drain place to pump your tanks. Again, you can put this into a sewer hole like us, or into a toilet in the house, wherever you can route your discharge hose. You got your flush hose here, 12-volt power, and this thing hooks right up to your RV. So this is going to be a perfect setup here around the house, and we love it.